Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Xiaomi HYPEROS 3 icons on your Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store, search HYPEROS 3 icon pack and download these icon packs on your Galaxy device. Guys, this icon pack direct Play Store link available on description. Simply tap on install. After install, guys, again search good lock and install good lock on your Galaxy device. After install, simply tap and open. Agree and continue, go to plugins and download theme park plugin. After download, simply tap and open theme park. Tap on icon, tap on create new, tap on icon pack and look at this HYPEROS 3 icon pack. Simply rename icon pack and apply. Look at this guys. After apply HYPEROS 3 icon pack on your Galaxy device. So guys, you also install this HYPEROS 3 icons on your Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.